You're doing everything right, eating clean, working out, trying to stay balanced, but still you're tired, maybe even foggy or low-key irritated for no clear reason. It's frustrating when your body isn't keeping up with your mindset. This is where Moringa comes in. Packed with iron, potassium, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and E, it's like a multivitamin but directly from nature. It supports energy, immune defense, and mental clarity. Many notice better digestion and more balanced moods within days. The antioxidants also fight inflammation, helping you feel less heavy and more in flow. Blend the powder into smoothies or take it in capsule form. Either way, it gives your body what it's been missing. Ready to feel good again? Get your daily greens in the link in bio.